Welcome to day 2 of our phone repairing course. Please don't forget to subscribe. By subscribing, you are encouraging me. By liking and commenting is one of the ways to encourage me to keep, going. Okay. So God bless you. And don't forget, for some of us who is awaiting the phone unlock and flashing business course that is yet to be released, please message me so that I can give you the promo code. Okay. When it's released, instead of buying it the original price, you can use the promo code to get it at 15% discount. Okay, so please, for the meantime, let us focus on what we're doing. So today, of course, is very interesting. We are opening 50% of the phone today, and I'm going to be explaining some things. Now I'm going to be teaching you how to repair phone based on the major problems that you're going to be getting. What are the major problems? The major problems are charging problem, see that, charging problem, power problem. Maybe you want to, turn on your phone, is not coming up. Okay. Then the next one is the battery problem. Is either the battery is draining quick or the battery is even making it not to turn on. Okay. Then the next one is the screen problem. Yeah, we are going to be doing more of repairing of screen, repairing of charging problem, repairing of battery problem, and power problem. That is where you are switching it on. Those are the few main things that you're going to be getting almost every week in your shop when you start repairing phone. Okay, so now that we open this phone, it's very important that you know the components that actually makes up a phone. But of course, this video is always below 15 minutes, times 10 minutes. Okay, so I can't use it to explain everything. I'm going to be explaining it based on the demand you're going to get when you are just starting. Okay, so these are the basic phone components. So I'm going to start from this. Every smartphone like an Android phone, iOS, that is iPhone, and other brands, you must have your touch pad. Yes, touch pad. So this surface you are seeing here now, there's a touch pad here. Okay, and then after the touch pad, you're going to see the main screen that displays what people are seeing. Hope you are understanding. Please write it down. Okay, the touch pad, the screen, then the next thing is the battery. When it comes to screen and touch, some phones, they are together. Okay, the screen and the touch pads are together. That means you can't separate them. If it has any issue, you have to buy both of them together. Okay, because they are together, you can't separate them. Okay, unless you want to go through some kind of technical process, which is not really what people want to have patience for. Okay, so why some phone the touchpad can be faulty, why the main screen will be working. Some phone the main screen can be faulty while the touchpad is working. Okay, then the next thing is the battery. Okay, you have the battery, you have the charging port. Okay, very important. I'm teaching you based on the problem that people face almost every week and every month. Okay, so battery. Okay, now this is your charging port, that. Now if you move to this area, this is the power button. Some phones you can have both the power button here and the volume up and volume down button. Okay, then this thing you are seeing here is the flex. Sometimes you're going to get demands on flex problems. The next thing is the cameras. You hardly see problems on cameras, but just know that these are cameras. Okay, this flex is literally wire. Okay, I'm going to be very raw in this training. This is literally wire. Okay, it's a battery. Then you have the complete board. Okay, when I lose this phone, you are going to see a whole board, and on that board you are going to see IC, capacitors, inductors, resistors, diodes, CPU, RAM, and etc. In this phone, this place functions as earpiece port and charging port. Okay, yeah. While some phone, you're going to see a small hole at the side where you can plug in that your earpiece. Okay, just know those are the challenges you're going to be facing. Then mouthpiece. Yes, mouthpiece. You're going to see mouthpiece. If every phone always have one small hole. Let me touch the screen so that it won't be too blurry. Okay, just know that there's a small hole at the side. Yes, this hole. Yeah, that is where the mouthpiece is, where you speak into. Okay, very, very important. Now, it's of course it's a basic class. I'm making everything basic. You need to take note, because in the next class we're going to be reading the meter. Yes, I don't want to rush us. We're going to be explaining how to use the meter to check if some of the components are working or not. Okay, I'm going to use the meter to check it. Please prepare your meter. Is important. I'm going to use it. And also the casing, okay, the cover is also part of phone components. I'm going to give you an assignment, and that assignment you're going to submit it on the comment section of this video. Okay, that assignment is going to give you extra 20% discount for only 10 people. For only 10 people that will be selected. If you really get it right, make sure you make your research. If you get those answers right, you get 20% discount. Just message me directly. You're going to get 20% plus 50% discount. That is 70% discount off the original price of this our forthcoming paid course. Okay. Number 1, what is the function of IC on a phone? Number 2, what is the function of capacitors on a phone? Number 3, what are the functions of inductors on a phone? Number 4, right? What are the functions of resistors? Number 5, what are the functions of diodes? Number 6, what are the functions of CPU? What is the function of CPU on a phone? Then number 7, what is the function of RAM in a phone? Okay, number 1, IC. What is the function of IC on a phone? What is the function of capacitors on a phone? What is the function of inductors on a phone? What is the function of resistor on a phone? What is the function of diodes in your phone? What is the function of CPU in your phone? What is the function of RAM in your phone? Now, this is why I'm giving you assignments and upon assignments. If the class is not interactive, I don't believe you are going to learn anything, because other videos on YouTube, we just explain everything. They don't care whether you're learning. So if you can get it right, and in the next section, I'm going to announce how many people that really got it right. On the comment section, please, you are going to type the research you have made. I'm going to go through all the comments and see those who got it right. Okay, so God bless you. Next week our topic will be on multimeter. Okay, since we are still waiting for our paid course that is forthcoming, and don't forget to message me on that too. Message me on that too, and make sure you finish your assignment. You're going to get extra 20% plus the 50% that I'm already giving for anybody that messaged through us through my YouTube channel. Okay, so God bless you. See you next Friday.